Well, hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Elle, and today I am doing a plan with me in my Wonderland222 A5 size. Y'all, the year is almost over, and I don't know. I guess the closer we get to the end of the year, the more adverse I've become, because I struggle to find a kit to utilize or to figure out exactly what I wanted to or how I wanted to set up my week. Um, and that's because this week is my anniversary week. So it's been 16 years on this Thursday, which is cool that we've tolerated each other that long. And so I decided to utilize a kit. Well, it's not even a kit, it's deco. It's a deco sheet that I had from I think it's Indian Ivy ink. I will try to leave the information in the description box below. But I tried to utilize some deco and some washi. This is new for me, but normally I do enjoy kind of thinking outside of the box. And I think with the Wonderland 222, that has been my overall experience. Is it required a lot of thinking out of the box and making adjustments to other kits and making it work for me. So as you can see, I am just labeling. I have my own weeks. I always keep some transparent stickers for the days of the weeks just in case I decide to date or change the headers or something like that. And then I found some leftovers. I always keep my leftovers from Mandy Lynn Plans Weekly. So I dated the weeks. I was trying to find maybe a gold 8, but I couldn't find one. So we just let it be. One thing I do love about these stickers is that they do come up very easily because I did misplace a couple of stickers, and that is just life. Something that you may not be aware about me, but I am a true 80s baby, and for me, handwriting is a big thing. It was a big thing for me growing up, and it is a big thing for me now. And I think somewhere along the way, I've kind of lost my feel for writing with technology. Just everything being digital, like from 2015 and up. I don't know. I don't take my signature and my handwriting as serious because I'm always typing. So even though I wrote it out here, my 16th year anniversary, I didn't like it. So I'm going to cover it. I'm gonna cover it. I was trying to show you that the sticker kit, which well, it's not a kit, but the deco on this kit, what was very unique about it is that it shimmered. Like so on the girls, the flowers that's on her head and on the roses, and they have like a little glittery shimmering effect, and I thought that was very cute. And it was just fitting, I guess, for anniversary love or whatever. I'm not a pink fan, so I did the best that I could with the colors that I had. But the more I look at the 16th anniversary, and I can tell you, even though I'm doing the voiceover, I know I'm looking at it, and I hate it. So I whited it out. And then I covered it. I realized that I had a sticky note for the previous week behind the back page, and that was kind of hindering a lot of my fluid movements. So, yep, I fixed it, and I went ahead and put in gold 16th anniversary. Found some stickers for that. And since I don't have a lot of text boxes, I decided well, I don't have any boxes really. I'm just using what's left over. I decided to use some of my Crayola Super Tips. I don't know why I don't use these. I've had them for like 2 years. Well, I do know why I don't use them. The main reason why I don't use them because it takes me forever to figure out which color I want. And that's a problem. The color. So I fix the color. Or sometimes I'll get a scrap piece of paper and I'll just like scribble the color to make sure the right shade. So there has to be a better way because sometimes the caps don't match the colors and the tips. Yeah, you just have to see what it looks like on the paper. So, majority of this week is going to be a lot of to-do lists. It's going to be pretty light. So I just wanted to kind of make some banners for different things, and just do a to-do and then go back and add some dots and write in as I go. Just marking things that are important. Like the 6th is my sister-in-law's birthday. I won't dare put her age or information on this video. And then like Saturday, my son is going to a football party. No, not football party, baseball party. Not even a baseball party. Lord, he's going to a birthday party. So I want to make sure I don't miss or skip that. And it's really for me just trying to find ways to use this cute washi tape. I think the washi tape though, this could be a oops washi tape that I purchased, and because I feel like the washi tape actually goes the other direction. And the bows appear to be upside down. I don't think I do a close up where you guys can see that, but that was bothering me for a few moments. So I know I'm not going to really do it to do on Sunday. So just making some dots to write the list as they come. And here you can see, like, I don't know which color I wanted to use. So I just got a blank piece of paper, and I'm just literally like trying to fill what color I actually want, because I wanted to make a little box here since I don't have many. I don't use all the little boxes that I could find in the sampler. And just to give it a little highlight, and just to state, food trucks, because it's Food Truck Friday and we will be there. So I don't know which phase it is in our neighborhood. So once I figure that out, I'll write it in. And I noticed, if you notice, every time I use the Crayola Super Tip, you always see me touch it. Apparently, it always leaves like this little dot when you end. So I got that from Julie Plans. If you kind of just tap the dot, it'll take it right up. So it doesn't have that weird dot there. Sundays are always going to be Sunday resets for me, and it's self-care Sundays. So I don't plan to do much on Sundays. And really, that's the bulk of it. Everything else is just making sure I have space available for anything that may come up that I need to make a list of. And that's basically it. Thank you everyone for recently subscribing to my channel. It's amazing. I'm seeing the growth. I am trying to get to 500 subscribers by the end of the year. So if you are new here, you watch my videos and you have not subscribed, please consider joining my little YouTube family. And that's basically it. You guys stay blessed. Take care. Bye.